Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Samuel Medonilla from Business Mirror. One of the main topics of the APEC summit this year is about the adoption of artificial intelligence. To what extent does the Marcos administration is planning to adopt artificial intelligence in the government?
As much as we can, as soon as we can. You're missing a chance if you wait. AI is going to come, parang alon yan eh. Kahit anong gawin mo, mababasa ka. And if you don't learn how to swim, i.e., if you do not learn how to use AI in the best way, and in a secure way, and in a benevolent way, may iwanan ka talaga. Ang bilis ng takbo ng teknolohiya. So, that is one of my big takeaways from the APEC, this APEC, was ang daming diskusyon on the sidelines about AI. And that's what anong ginagawa ninyo? Anong plano ninyo? What are your capacities? What are your capabilities? Saan kayo magaling? Dito kami magaling. Di magtulungan tayo, ganyan-ganyan, etc. And trying to find a way, everyone's trying to find a way we are trying to achieve two things. We are trying to understand the technical side of AI. What is AI actually capable of doing? And it is not a static exercise, because what AI can do 1 month ago is different from what AI will be able to do 1 month from now. Ang bilis na, that's the one thing that's new about AI, that's why people can't quite understand it, is it learns. So yung kausap, it's not paulit-ulit lang, on the same question, paulit-ulit lang. It learns. It knows my AI knows who I am. I'm sure you use ChatGPT, kilala na kung sino ka. He knows that you're a journalist, that we work for this. Malalaman eh. And so you have to take advantage. It's such a powerful tool. You must take advantage of it as quickly as possible. You have to learn how to use it as quickly as possible. As I said, that's one of the big takeaways for myself, at least. And I think all the others as well, all the other leaders as well, about how quickly how quickly AI will overwhelm us if we do not learn how to swim with the tide, if we do not learn how to handle it properly, if we do not learn how we can use it to best help our people. Although there's so many aspects to it that it really has to be studied very, very hard.
Quick follow-up lang, sir. You mentioned that, do you plan to make any issuance that would provide government agencies guidance on how to adopt AI in their operations? And what agencies should be prioritized to adopt AI?
It's not yet clear. What AI do you use for government? Diba? And I'm sure each department has a slightly different AI. And we have to learn, hindi pa natin alam eh. Kaya hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa isang departamento, ito yung gagawin ninyo. Kasi mag-aaral pa tayo eh. We have to talk to the experts. We have not only Filipinos, we have to talk to everybody, the whole world. And try and find out, again, those two things. Ano ba talaga ang AI? What does it do? What does it do well? What doesn't it do well? How do you use it properly? And number two, yung mga think tank, sa palagay ninyo, saan patungo ito? At paano natin gagamitin para tulungan yung Pilipinas? Para tulungan yung ibang bansa? Para tulungan yung ASEAN? People have to we have to go to the people who are thinking about those issues so they can tell us what their conclusions are. We can agree or not agree, but at least we have an idea of how the thinking is going and a better idea of the technology so that we know where it is headed and where are the dangerous areas that we need to watch out for.